I know you are thinking I could never do that makeup, but yes, you can. You think primer is the key? Nope. It starts way earlier. Your skincare decide if your foundation looks smooth or cakey. So my skincare is face wash, toner, serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Concealer alone won't hide your dark circular pigmentation. So first apply an orange corrector to cancel out the darkness. Then set it lightly with a powder so it doesn't move. Now when you put on foundation or concealer, your under eyes will look flawless all day. While using foundation, most people use blender from the start. And that's why their base never look flawless. Want a smooth skin-like finish? Brush first, then blender. It's a game changer, believe me. For my brows, I keep it super simple. I just fill it the gaps, nothing fancy because honestly, I don't even know how to do it full browsing. If your contour looks muddy, you are probably blending wrong. Watch this. I place my contour slightly above my natural line for a lifted look. Then blend with a brush. If there is any harshness, I soften with a damp beauty blender. And for my nose, I take a eyebrow brush, draw two straight lines, and then just blend it with my fingers for soft and natural finish. Want a simple eye makeup that makes your eyes look bigger? Try this. Brown shadow on the eyelids, some on the lower lash line too. Eyeliner only on the corners, I mean inner corner and outer corner. Black shadow on the brush, apply it in the lower lash line, but make a tiny gap so your eyes look more open. Then take some black eyeshadow and smudge that eyeliner so that will give you that smoky eye look. Then blend some more brown if you want, add some kajal and then curl your lashes. I always apply mascara vertically. First to coat every lash, then brush through for volume. Don't forget the lower lash line too. It ties the whole look together. And our tutorial is done. Save this look for your next makeup day. Subscribe me if you want. Bye bye.